I grew up in Sydney, and then I developed a mining group, which was going really, really well. Well, in the 87 stock market crash, I lost most of our family's wealth. Probably 10, 12 million with properties and shares and other assets, you know. Cities are a prison, they're a trap, they're a treadmill. You're locked into those cities without any fences, and most people can't get out. And it's mainly through debt. As soon as I stepped on the island, I figured this is where I'm going to die, you know. When it first came up, the idea of Restoration Island, I'd never heard of it before. So I found that this is where Blight landed after his first landfall after the mutiny. The island restored the men after that incredible, difficult 40-day epic voyage where they weren't supposed to survive, but they did. And I came here wounded, seriously wounded. And you know, I'm now repaired but also supercharged. Like it's got a lot of energy here, a lot of power here. You know, I don't think about tomorrow. Tomorrow's irrelevant. We'll all be dead. We've got to live now, right now. The dangers are real. You know, I've recently broken my hip, and it took me an hour to get to the house. I broke my hip literally 60 metres from where we're sitting now. And if I hadn't have gotten here and not made the phone call, I would have been dead. But other than that, there's snakes, there's crocodiles, there's spiders, there's all these dangerous things here. I was one of the very, very few fortunate people that instead of maybe committing suicide, which a lot of people would have done, I found this place. This island has restored me in terms of, in every which way I can imagine. Physically, mentally, spiritually, you name it. You know, I'm a different person. I'm a better person, a way better person than I was before I got here.